Hi, this is a demonstration video for a Nakajima WPT-150 typewriter. I acquired this typewriter from some folks who said that they only used it once. I have the original box for it, not all of the original foam packing, but the original box, and an extra correction tape and an extra dark, the dark letter tape that are new, that's coming with this. I just want to demonstrate that this unit works. It's really clean. There's really no signs of wear. It's in super great condition. And I just want to show you, that it's functioning on this video. We'll start with turning it on here. We'll go through all the characters. Okay, she's booted up. And our green light is on. And so yeah, we'll just start going through all the characters. And we'll go 1, 2, 3. Backspace works. Here's your backspace. Space forward here. And then here's our indent. Hit the indent. Okay. That takes us back to our margin. And then we'll go through letters here. Okay, all the letters showed up. They look good. The tape that's in there is obviously in good condition. Like I said, this unit comes with an extra brand new factory sealed ribbon. So now we'll hit the return here and go to the next line. And we'll do some capital letters here. Okay. And what else can we do next? We can do our exclamation point, characters, all the shift characters. Okay. I accidentally hit the Z with my thumb, but it's fine. Also, we hit the return, hit the tab, tab goes out to there, hit the return, margin left, margin right. So yeah, everything looks to be operating well. Like I say, this unit is in fantastic condition. All I can really see is some very minor dust you can see in there. This is probably something that just collected during storage. And down in the mechanics, you see just a little bit down in there. This unit's in super great condition. If you have any questions or need me to test anything further, please let me know. I'm happy to do, and I can create a short video with any tests you like and post those, send you those video links, and you can see it operate. I hit return and it just closes up. There we go. Here's what the text looks like. Looks great. Really nice typewriter. Again, let me know if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them. Thanks for watching.